Hi everyone. So, does your child's teeth look something like this? And if it does look something like this, then you must be thinking if it's normal. So, yes, this is absolutely normal and it's called as ugly duckling stage. That means that means it's a stage of dental development or teeth development, and it's usually seen between the age of 7 to 12 years, and it happens before the eruption of permanent canines. Now, what happens in this is the two large central teeth that you see, they are called as the upper central incisors, obviously in the upper arch that I'm talking about. So, you'll see a space in between those two central incisors, and also you'll see the front four teeth, that means your two central incisors and your two lateral incisors. You'll see them tipped laterally, that means you'll see them tipped away from the midline, and this happens before the eruption of permanent canine, because the eruption of permanent canine is the causative factor behind this. The good thing with this is, though it might be quite unsightful to see, it is self-correcting. That means after the permanent canines erupt in the mouth of the child, the midline space closes and that lateral tipping or the sideways tipping also gets corrected and the space gets closed. Obviously, the name has been given so because of the unsightful appearance of the child in those years. So what I explained can be understood with this diagram. As you can see in the first diagram, the permanent canines are sitting high up in the bone and they have not erupted yet. Now, as they start erupting, it starts exerting pressure, and that pressure tends to tip the root of the lateral incisor, as you can see in the second diagram, and it tends to move its roots centrally, and the crowns that you can see in the mouth tends to move outwards. Now, as the permanent canines move down, this tendency tends to increase, and the gap between all these upper front teeth, upper four front teeth to be specific, it increases. But as and when the eruption of permanent canine completes, the gap in the midline closes and the orientation of all these front six teeth in totality settles and it becomes straight. Now, so with this, we understand that it should resolve by 14 years of age. But it's very important to pay a visit to your dentist, because the midline spacing in this particular age group, that is between 7 to 12 years of age, can also be because of something else. So this your dentist can diagnose if it's because of the normal midline spacing, that is because of the ugly duckling stage, or there are certain other reasons because of which there's a midline space. So that's it. Thank you.